Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. It's been a while, but I'm back with another video. Hope you all enjoy watching. In this video, I'll be showing you all glimpses of our Ramadan decorations, iftar table, and also two recipes. One is the Sri Lankan beef roti, and the other one is the pistachio and rose cupcake. Hope you all enjoy watching. For the beef roti, first I made the dough. So into a bowl I added flour, salt, oil and baking soda. Need to form a dough that's not too soft or not too tight. Apply some oil, then cover and leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, knead the dough again, oil a surface and knead it for around 8 to 10 minutes. Cover and leave it for another 2 hours. Then you divide the dough and form into small balls. Again, cover and leave it for around 30 minutes. I'm using my instant pot to make the beef curry. Switched on to the saute mode. Once heated, add oil. Then add chopped onions, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. Saute till the onions are translucent and the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Then add beef, cut into very small pieces along with potatoes and diced tomatoes. Also add tamarind juice. For the spices, I've added salt, turmeric powder, curry powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a mix. Then cover and cook under pressure. I've cooked it for 15 minutes here. Then I covered and cooked for a further 15 minutes. I've then added roasted curry powder. Now switch on to saute mode and let the water evaporate. So the consistency should be dry. Towards the end, add pepper powder and cumin powder. Keep cooking till the mixture is quite dried. Switch off the instant pot. Add lemon juice. And the curry is ready. Leave it aside to cool down. The recipe for the beef curry is from my mother-in-law. I have tweaked the recipe a bit from her original recipe, but it tastes as good as hers. Now moving on to making the beef rotis. It's important to stretch the dough as thinly as possible, like this. As you see, the filling is quite dry. This is important so that the mixture doesn't seep through. The curry rotis were cooked on a tawa, or you can even use a non-stick pan. Make sure to cook them on a slow heat so that it's cooked throughout. and the beef curry rotis are ready. Now moving on to the pistachio and rose cupcakes. In a bowl of a stand mixer, I've added 4 egg whites and a pinch of salt. Whisk the egg whites using a whisk attachment on a medium speed for around 2 to 3 minutes or until they start to turn foamy. I'm then gradually adding 60 grams of sugar. I've used granulated sugar here. Whisk again until the sugar is well incorporated. As you see, soft peaks are formed. Now add around 1 tablespoon of rose water. If you think the rose water is overpowering, you can always add around half a tablespoon. Whisk again till stiff peaks are formed. Now, while it's whisking away, let's sift the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I've used 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 70 grams of icing sugar. Now once the stiff peaks are formed, sift the dry ingredients little at a time into the egg white mixture. Fold it gently until all incorporated. Then line a cupcake tray. I've used a 12-hole cupcake tray. And then scoop the batter into these liners. I have baked it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Now let them cool to room temperature completely. I'm doing a very rustic and a basic frosting. It's just thick cream, around 1.5 cups. Whip the cream till soft peaks are formed. I've used a spoon to frost the cupcakes, but you can even use a piping bag. Then sprinkle the cupcakes with ground pistachios and rose petals. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you again, take care, bye bye.